Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to update your PHP version in cPanel in HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your performance inside HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. In order to update the PHP version in Hostinger from cPanel, just click on Settings under your website, click on Advanced, and scroll down to cPanel and click on Manage. Inside cPanel, scroll down to Software and click on Multi-PHP Manager. Select the website you want to upgrade or to update, and from this drop-down menu, select your desired PHP version. After that, click on Apply. As you can see, our PHP version is successfully updated. That was all for this video. To encourage me make more videos just like this one, and make sure to subscribe.